Hi, we're back once again. So where we left off is we ordered a bunch of more parts for the engine. Want to do everything while it's all taken apart. New timing chain, new gaskets, new water pump, all that stuff. Just some stuff that was forgot to be ordered. I guess where we left off is I left the shop a complete mess. Usually I'm pretty good with every time I'm done, pick everything up, so what we're going to do right now is just pick everything up, then we'll come back, see what we're going to do, and we get a little idea what we want to do for the day. So we'll be back when the shop's clean. Hi, we're back once again. We did a half tape job and poured the roof. Now it's really black. Let me grab a light. Hopefully that'll make it last. Don't know why, I'm just kind of going with pour on this Eastwood. It's always advertised as long lasting, never have to do your car, lasts forever, so we're gonna give it a try. Other than that, I think we're gonna cut this one. We're gonna go keep working on the car. I really can't do much with the pour. If you've ever used it or haven't, a couple really good tips are if you buy the bigger jugs, like quart, I think they have a gallon one. I guess I would say, so these are what I'm starting to buy, is just littler ones. When you pop the top off, if you're going to reseal a bigger one, clean very, very well on the rim. If you don't, you'll never get the lid open, and then you're going to be doing whatever you can to get what's left in there. So kind of just started picking up the little ones, because I'm not really, the big projects are done on the car. The bottom's done, the roof's done. The only other big one, I guess, would be the trunk area, which I probably will put pour on, maybe inside the quarters. Guess I'm not too sure on that, but yeah. Wear gloves. If you're going to be inside your car, wear a hat. Wear as much on your arms as you can, old ratty stuff. And if you do get it on you, I know I just got some on my face last time. Brake cleaner is your friend. It's the only thing I guess I've tried. Other people have said use vegetable oil, but I guess the big thing is try not to get it on your body at all. Wear an old ratty hat, wear a mask, wear whatever you have to, because if you get it on, it's just going to be an irritant to get it off, and it really does suck taking it off. What I have noticed is if you use brake cleaner right away, it comes right off. It comes off, but it kind of turns it gray, diluted black. So we're gonna come back with another episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Car's coming along real happy. Should have the engine finished and done here real soon. I have brakes front and rear. I've got all brand new steering components. The engine's got a bunch of brand new. I would say what I really need to finish is, if I want to do make it run, finish the inside, put the gas tank in, put all that in, double check some wiring, just the basic stuff to get it running. I still need to take the dash off. There's still mouse nests in there. I guess I just haven't did that. I need to fix that rust, the quarters, a little bit back on the driver's side fender, and the deck or trunk lid is pretty bad, but it's nothing that can't be saved. So we're gonna end it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, or comment, leave me some kind of feedback. Definitely appreciate it.